This tutorial will show you how to make an Excel sortable list so that you can easily rearrange any data in your spreadsheet. Start Excel and load the sheet that has the data you want to make a sortable list from. In this case, we have an address book and we are going to be making a sortable list from the last name column. Click on the B at the top of that column to highlight it. Now, navigate to the Data tab in the main bar at the top of the screen. Under the Sort and Filter section, click on the image that looks like a funnel. It is labeled Filter. You will notice that next to the last name text in cell B1, a drop-down arrow has appeared. Click on this drop-down arrow and you will be presented with a few options that will allow you to sort data in various ways. This is how to make an Excel list sortable. To test this functionality, click on the top option, Sort A to Z. A window will appear and you will need to select the Expand the Selection option and click Sort. The window will close and the data in the sheet will have been sorted into alphabetical order based on last name.